know, I'm kind of nervous because y'all know, like, when it's your first time doing a hairstyle but you have to go somewhere the next day, so it's really not the time for you to be trying shit, but like the circumstances are also giving you gotta do something. That's literally
see how it's gonna give, what it's gonna give
tomorrow.
What is up, y'all? It's your girl Big Bami, not the little one. And if you want to see how I got this cute little flexi rod set, then make sure you keep watching.
Ask me what I'm thinking about, his money on my mind. Her in my DMs, but she's screaming that he's mine.
So one of my resolutions for 2024 was to try to go a whole year without a wig. Will I? Questions that need answered, but I'm gonna try. And in the spirit of me trying, here is a style that I don't normally do, something y'all don't normally see. You know, my natural tresses. Oh my god, yes y'all. So I needed a quick style because I'm in between styles right now, and I said, you know what, why not try a flexi rod set? So here's my first flexi rod set, and I really think it's so cute, y'all. Like,
I'm so tired.
this is my first time doing a flexi rod set, so bear with me, guys. It's giving big trial, big error, but hopefully overall it comes out good. So for this flexi rod tutorial, all you're gonna need is flexi rods, obviously, a comb, and some Nairobi. Now I am doing this on blown out hair, so I have a little bit more length, but once again, like I said, this is my first time doing it, y'all, so bear with me, but we're gonna try to make it work. I'm gonna start out by sectioning out my hair. This is roughly the first section that I'm working with. Maybe 3 sections. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give this 3 sections. Going in with my first section in the back, and honestly, because this is my first time doing it, I'm gonna do this section, probably do the whole back section, come back and show you guys how it looks. All right, guys, so I officially finished the back. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is a back. I'm kind of nervous because y'all know, like, when it's your first time doing a hairstyle but you have to go somewhere the next day, so it's really not the time for you to be trying shit, but like the circumstances are also giving you gotta do something. That's literally what this style is for me. So I don't know how it's gonna come out, and y'all, like, your girl is really running low on flexi rods, so this is going to be quite the discovery. 2 different sizes. I'm using the red and a blue flexi rod on the sides, just because I'm gonna use a bigger section here. So first thing I want to do is 2 pumps of Nairobi, and stay away from my roots. I want to stay away from my roots. I'm gonna come with my comb and just comb that through my hair. And I'm gonna go with the blue, and I'm going to wrap, and as I'm wrapping it, I'm twisting the hair around my finger, so the hair is getting twisted within itself, and then also it's wrapping around the hair. Then just gonna go in and close my flexi rod. I hope you guys were able to see that. And oh, y'all, make sure you stay away from your roots. I got too close to my roots this time, but I should be fine. I don't think they touched my roots. get my Flexi rod, and I don't think I'm curling in any particular position. I just think I'm trying to make sure the hair is not only secure around this Flexi rod, but also I have a good grasp of the curl. Pretty secured. So y'all, I have a set amount of Flexi rods left, which is really hard for me because I don't know how many it's gonna take. 2, 4, 6, 7. So honestly, it's giving 3 back here and 4 in the front, y'all. Like, this is so unfortunate. We'll see how it's gonna give, what it's gonna give. So you guys see, this is my section in the back. I got my Nairobi, staying away from my roots. Then just combing it through. My Flexi rod going at the base of my head and wrapping around. Then closing my Flexi rod up. Okay. And I'm just gonna do this one more time. Now, I'm gonna finish up and come back when I'm doing the front just to show you guys one last time. On the front of my hair, and I have 4 Flexi rods left. These 4 are all I have for this front section. And I want my curls to look right and tight and nice. So I'm a little nervous. But we gonna make it do what it does. 4 means I have to part this into 4 sections, and I said I want a middle part, but I also want it to be like, you know, pretty curled. So got her right and tight. Look, emo. When your hair not hard top and needs are done. It's so hard. I'm just an emo girl. Y'all, I'm gonna look good with one of them like 09 Estelle hairstyles. Cause it's really it's gay. Like, yummy by America, but okay, let me stop, y'all. Front of my hair, I'm going to curl it away from my face, only because I think that's how I want the curls to fall. Damn, y'all can't even fix my glasses. Them shits is locked in. Oof. Is it locked in? I hope it's locked in. It's locked in, y'all. So this is the finished look, guys. I'm doing 360 for you. Whew. And I'm gonna take it out tomorrow and we're gonna see how it looks. So catch you guys in some hours, like 12 hours maybe, a little less than 12 hours.
6.5 hours later.
All right guys, so it's the next day. As you can see, face is beat and we have to take these out. I don't know what it's gonna look like, however, like, we're just gonna get them out because I'm actually running on time and I don't want to be late, and the only way I won't be late is if we just start now. So yeah, I'm probably gonna montage this. I'm definitely gonna montage this. So let's go. Now this is how it looks. Didn't separate it or anything. This is just how it is. But I'm about to separate it. I just gotta get some local oil first. So I'm gonna go with some argan oil that I got from Morocco. If you guys didn't watch my Morocco vlog, go ahead and watch that. But I'm just going to, ooh, running low. Lightly spray it on my hands, rub it on my hands so that when I separate the curls, it is nice. I'm not gonna separate the curls too much, mostly because I don't want to, honestly. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, let me montage this part and just get to the front for you guys. I'm just going to pull out the curls. We'll pull out the root, honestly. Try not to comb through it. And just try to give it like a local move. And this also is gonna help like get rid of some of the lines from parting. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks. I just pinned the front of my hair back and I just went in with the mini flat iron for my edges. So I'm about to lay it down. I'm using the Gummy Professional Styling Wax Ultra Hold. This is my holy grail. This kept my edges down in Morocco like crazy. And if it could keep my edges down against the heat, then baby, you here to stay. Y'all see an edge like that and already know what the fuck is going on. Like, it's very simple. It's not even rocket science. Y'all, I literally love this product. Like, holy grail product. They can't make me hate her. Honestly, let me not say too much, because sometimes when she's not molded properly, or maybe it's just too much product buildup, she do be getting a little ghostly. That's probably the one thing I'll say about her. This is the finished look, y'all. What do y'all think? It's a cute little style. Didn't know if I was gonna like it, but this is so cute, y'all. So thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Your face on a shirt, but you still irrelevant. Put your hands in the air, it's a stick up, stick up. Bitches still trying to beat me, time to give up, give up.